It seems like everyone and their mother is publishing no content books these days. And in fact, just to prove it, I'm going to stop any random stranger on the street and ask them if they've published no content books. Let's go ahead and see this. Hey, you down there! You publish no content books?
Dale?
Keith? What are you doing in here?
I drove 1,000 miles to try out those amazing tacos that you keep talking about. Oh, and try to get one of those banana stickers.
I didn't know you were in my neighborhood. Why don't you come on up here, man?
Nah, I'm good.
Well, you can answer my question then. I mean, do you publish no content books?
Yeah, but you knew that already.
So, what advice would you give to people that are publishing no content books, man?
I'll do you one better. How about I tell you what you shouldn't do if you're publishing no content books?
Well, I'm game. Here. Catch.
Okay, so the first thing you should not do if you're publishing no content books is don't publish blind. What do I mean by that? You need to know your niche. Is there certain lingo or jargon that's popular in that particular niche? Know your competition. You know, how many books are in that particular niche? Know your competitors. Are you actually realistically able to compete with them and their books? Know your categories. The wrong categories can hamper your discoverability on the Amazon marketplace. Number 2, don't copy your competitors. Your job as a competitor is not to copy what they did. It's to find out what they did and do it better. So check out their books, go down, check out the reviews, the positive ones to see what they're doing right, and more importantly, the negative ones to see what they're doing wrong so you can fix that in your book. So use those reviews and your imagination to make a better book. And if your book is better on the cover and interior, you have a much better chance of blowing them away when it comes to sales. Number 3, don't go too deep. There's no sense in doing 10, 20, 30 books in a niche that hasn't been proven. More importantly, hasn't been proven by you. Instead, take those same 15 or 20 books and do 3 or 4 books in 5 different niches, and you've got a much better chance of getting sales. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, now you're in multiple baskets, and again, bettering your chances of getting no content book sales. And then, when you do get book sales in one or more of those niches, that is when you double down. Number 4, don't give up. It's really easy to give up in this industry. You know, you don't see sales, you think you're doing something wrong, and you just quit, you give up. Well, I'm gonna tell you, the bad news is it's not all rainbows and unicorn farts, people. You know, chances are 50% of your books may not sell a single copy, and that's fine. What you've learned is what not to do or what niche to not go in. That's why you always want to be researching multiple niches at the same time so you can better your chances of getting success in publishing no content books. Just consider that part of research and development in your no content book publishing business and move on. Bonus tip, don't copy yourself. Just because you got a sale on a book or maybe even multiple sales, that doesn't mean do the same book over and over again but with 20 different covers. No, try to find different variations you can do on that book. Think of the Law & Order TV series. You know, there was multiple spin-offs. Each one is similar in that they are police dramas, but that's where the similarities end. Each one has their own little nuances that make them unique. That's what you need to do with your books.
So, dude, did you try my no content book interior templates yet?
Yeah, man, it was freaking sweet.
But did you know?